Some gopher's been digging in my driveway, or should I say hole digging bastard. He's got a hole right there. He's got a hole over there on that side. What the heck's he gonna do here? So I got a hole in front of the little Dodge and one over here where this candlestick's at. So I am going up to get me a 20-foot chunk of 8-inch pipe, and I'm gonna put that pipe in those holes, pour the holes full of concrete, pour the pipe full of concrete, and then we're gonna put a gate to the entrance of Anderson Construction on account of when we're gone all day long and there's nobody here. Yeah, it's just a perfect invite for somebody to come steal stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Hello kids, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's just an awesome day for laying pipe. If you're stuck at home, you should be laying pipe. That's what I'm doing. So this is a 21-foot long stick of Schedule 40 8-inch inside diameter pipe. I'm going to cut off two 8.5-foot chunks, and they'll go over there in the driveway, and they'll look like this. Basically 4 in the ground and 4.5 above. Pour them full of concrete, and then we'll figure out some kind of hinges. If you guys got some ideas for some really heavy duty hinges, I'd like my gate to be one piece. So in other words, I'd like to swing it open instead of having two gates. I know that's a lot of iron hanging off of there, but with a bunch of concrete in the ground and then this heavy a pipe, I just don't see the problem. I don't want to open two gates. I just want to open one. So if you get some ideas for hinges or gates, lay them on me. So you ever have a day like this? You got a brand new Pro Star tip cleaner and it falls apart and scatters everything all over. Gas dang junk. Can't they stop building in China? Just stop building and buying shit in China. Hard to hold the camera and run a cutting torch at the same time. got my pipes cut off. I got one little leftover piece, but I want to give you a tip for using a torch. And this ain't my tip. I learned this from IC Weld on Instagram. So they call it 770. So you set your settling at 7 psi and your oxygen at 70 psi, and get your torch adjusted correctly, and they just cut like butter. Anyway, go check out IC Weld on Instagram, and then I think he also has a YouTube channel he just started, but that dude can cut and weld like nobody's business. Okay, I got my pipes in. Got out the laser and set them for height. Got them both the same. So I'm not going to fill them clear to the top with concrete. I'm going to leave some room, put crushed back over it. But I figure I need 1.5 yards per hole of concrete. So 3 yards total to do this. So what I'm thinking about doing is thinking about hanging the gate on this one and have it open down here this way, and then just pound a post in to chain it to it. And one big wide gate. So that's gonna be, let's see here, what would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 36 feet of gate. Can I do that? Can I hang 36 feet and make that work? What kind of steel would I have to use? How would I do that? The only other option is to do it in 2 chunks. This will still be, 16-foot panels. That's easy to do. But I was thinking if I do one gate, I can just tear this out and just put a small post here in the dirt, not worry about pouring concrete in this big one. I don't know. What would you do?